This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. Can you tell a little bit about your training days or your internship days in terms of how was the work there and what is your message to students? Because many of them will be joining the training, management training very soon.
So, my training days have been, in fact, very good. Of those people who in I did my training again with Mr. Jason Sundaresan. Fortunate enough to do it at his office because there are a lot of things which we got to learn from him. Directly got mentored from him. Like I said, the only reason why I took up this course was because one faculty said this is more of theory, and this is one office which changed my approach and said it's only practical. There is nothing more. There is no theory here. It's only practical. It's how you look at things. Uh, my English was bad. I didn't know how to draft a two-liner mail. I was reprimanded for that, and I'm today thankful that that happened. So, one of your close friends, Abhishek, and one of the faculties with Excel Academy was the person also who was training me over there, and he can vouch for this. So, uh, training days are very useful. I mean, you get reprimanded, you get scolded, whatever it is, but that at the end of it today, what I am today is because I've gone through that phase. All what needs to be done is just be with an open mind, take things that the way they are coming, and not get disheartened. We will
Exactly.
do mistakes, but mistakes will only happen if we do something. If
True.
for the fear of mistake we don't do, then we'll never learn in life.
In fact, as Ankush was telling, what I would like to tell the audience is that, see, training is one time. Yes, if you do mistakes, you may get reprimanded or they'll ask you questions, they may be strict with you, but still, you're not responsible for the work in terms of answering to the client. So it is still good. It's a learning, and you're in that cocoon and you're being protected by your boss. Of course, the boss is answerable to the outside world. That is why he wants you to learn, and they may be strict. See, not that everybody is going to scold. Each one is treated in a different way, but the intention is simple that you need to learn. And training is the formative years. Even how Ankush told, even I feel whatever I am today is because of the training and the trainer under whom I work. Without that, really nothing we can do today. So even for students, please make sure that you join a good place for training. And not only about that, be very, very open to learning all kinds of work.